Alright, so here is our Math 5B formula sheet, chapter 2.1, and the question is, how do you factor? So it tells you how to factor. So we actually did this back in August. The first thing you need to do is look for three letters. What are the three letters, class? G, C, F. Class, what does GCF stand for? Greatest common factor, right? Always do that first. The second thing you're going to do is count the terms. Count the number of terms. You might count that it might have 2 terms, 3 terms, or 4 terms. I'll just say if it has an A and C, if it has A and C, then add B. And I'm going to put it really practically, that just means 0x. It's possible that it's a difference of squares problem, right? If you count 3 terms, then you're essentially just using what? X box. Remember now, you can only do that if the exponent let's put 2x plus 1. This has to be half. If it's not half, that probably means that you just need to take greatest common factor and that's it. And then if you have 4 terms, then you can use factoring by grouping. But if you think about it, in each of these methods, what I'm trying to do is trying to get you in... Oh, you don't need the X. Oh, messed it all up. Essentially what's happening for each of these is you're trying to get into either an X in a box or just use the box. Does that make sense? So hopefully that quick review was super helpful for you. So look for a greatest common factor, count the number of terms, and then get into something very familiar that you're used to.